Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, a quick afternoon update on Bitcoin. See if this can update. You can see Bitcoin's been flushing this afternoon as the stock market's been getting beaten down, like I've been talking about recently. Jerome Powell, the Fed chairman, has spoken, and he said inflation is no longer transitory, like old Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing has been telling you since we came on air last year. And as you can see, this is what we forecasted earlier, and you can see we slipped back down into that falling wedge, and we're coming down to that underneath target, initial target of 52,356, because the Fed's going to get hawkish on fighting inflation, and they said they're going to accelerate their tapering process, which means there's less liquidity in the market, and that means it's going to be a shorter time until they start raising interest rates theoretically next year. And higher interest rates is bad for the stock market, and if it's bad for the stock market, and borrowing money becomes more expensive, right? People sell their stocks. People sell their they're less likely to borrow money, so asset prices and risk assets sell off very rapidly, and the riskiest things sell off the quickest, the tech stocks and cryptocurrencies, right? So you can see where Bitcoin's coming down to, and as you know, if we zoom out to the 2-hour time frame, we have this outstanding long target of a short-term target of a November crash target of $32,000, because we think we're having at least a 50% November flush in Bitcoin from the top. And currently, and this is well advertised by Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, we're down 22.20%. And we're forecasting a November target of a 52.69% flush down to 32,069. That is still in play. We have not backed off from that. And as you can see, if we zoom out into the 4-hour time frame to show you what we're talking about, is this whole pump we've been in. We were in this rising channel where we had upper resistance once, lower support once. Then we didn't get up the upper resistance, got rejected to lower support and a fake out twice. Upper resistance hit it second time, third time, came to lower support, and then a breakdown again, right? So the technical target is the bottom of the wedge, and the volume indicator is showing in this whole pump all this, the major volume traded areas down here in this green support box between $37,800 down to here, our target right down there, 32,069, right? So we think in an up and down fashion, we're going to start to trade down, and before November is over, or I think this is going to get down here before November's over, because we're right here now. It's not that far of a fall from here to there. How quick it can happen. You take the steps up, right? See that? You take the steps up, and then you take an empty elevator shaft down, right? Very quickly you flush down. And I think that's where you're going into Bitcoin. If we look at the XRP, because you all love the XRP so very, very much. XRP, we've had another outstanding play. And if you would like these coin requests, like my fellow subscriber has 5 coins that he wants daily updates and swing trades and possible moves in the best play on each coin, in my own personal opinion. You make up the price. You give me the coins you want that you feel is a fair donation to support the channel for my time. And you can see XRP way back here. We told you you're going to top out here and flush, and you did. And then you form this descending triangle right here, where you had upper resistance once, twice, 3 times, a fake out, and then a flush, right? And Vincenzo's, and you had your horizontal support down here on this white line. And this is your targeted move. And Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing was 69 steps out ahead of the competition on YouTube, as they told you the price was going way up there. And we told you we had a 46.69% flush that we thought was going to take place. And that would be your target down here at 72 cents. And then we formed into this descending triangle, and we laid it out for you out ahead of time, out ahead of the pack, and gave you that 92-cent target. And then it hit the target and quickly got bought up. And we gave you a top end potential of what could happen up here, right? But we told you everyone up here was overconfident now that it was going up there, but we never changed our overall thesis that before we made any kind of runs at our all-time high, you have to come down here at the very minimum because the chart was saying that. And now we're almost there, and this game's been tight, but Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing has taken the lead. And now from the top of where we told you it was going to start coming down, we're down 25.69%, on our way down to a 40.69% flush and a 72-cent target. And what I would look for now in a quick update is, can you get supported on this green ring down here and the support you're on now, or are you going to slip all the way through, right? If you slip through this double bottom right here, as we isolate it on a little bit closer, if you slip past this double bottom and come down to this 87-cent target and you can't hold it, you're coming right down to here, and you're going to be right down at your 72-cent target, right? So we're one slip away from hitting that target that Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing has been all over, out ahead of, and sidestepping the criminal gangsters and the market manipulators and the YouTube hustlers, fleecers and heisters and charlatans out there that are just giving you a bill of goods. Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing gives you what he sees in the chart to keep you out ahead of the game, and that would be a 20% flush from where we're at now in the current price, right? Like, subscribe, and share as the market continues to tank. We'll give you more updates later on today. Peace and love. Peace and love.